Hey there, today at Bannock Auto Sales we have a 2015 Kia Sorento EX. This has the V6 engine, paint condition is excellent, alloy rims are in nice shape, it's got good winter tires on it, it is all-wheel drive, it does have the full glass panoramic sunroof, bottoms of the doors and the rockers look great, power leather seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera. 182,608 kilometers, so not bad at all. Yeah, everything's in good shape. It does have the rear heated seats as well. It's the all-wheel drive V6. It does have the tow package on it. Lots of cargo space. Back gate looks good, no issues. And lots of storage space. There's your jack, spares underneath. Again, everything's very nice, no issues. Great looking vehicle. And same thing here, everything looks great. And it does have the original books. So, if you're looking for a really nice all-wheel drive SUV, this might be for you. You can always give us a call. The number is 519-507-1471. And this is Noah for Bannock Auto Sales. Have yourselves a great day.